So in today's video, I'll be showing us how this beautiful soap is made. Yes, I'll be showing us how all the process that goes into producing this beautiful brown transparent laundry bar soap, and also very, very hard. I'm trying to cover the name of the brand. I don't want the name of the brand to show. That's why you see me covering it with my hands. So I'm going to show us how it is made. It is actually made with a machine. So just relax and watch me as I take you through the process. And in case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Ogechima Dokoma. I'm the lead facilitator, Global Managers Business School. So watch as we start. Okay, so here we go. The first thing we do is to produce our soap. This is the soap. It is being produced using the hot method, the normal way we produce it. So we're using an electric mixer for this soap. So you're cooking, there is either a gas attached underneath the mixer, or you can use any source of heat. So you cook while you're stirring. This is where you cook until the soap gels very well and it becomes non-sticky, no longer sticks in your palm. So you pour it out. When it is poured out, it is left there to dry. Either you pour it out, or you can also put it in a mold. Then it's either shredded into noodles using the plodder and a teeth that has that noodle teeth. It comes out. Or you can pour it down, it will come out like flakes. I've done a video showing you how to do that once. So once you're done with that, it comes into this particular machine. This is called an amalgamator. That's after you have cooked the soap, it has gelled, you've poured it out, it has solidified. Then you now bring it back into this particular machine. It is called an amalgamator or a mixer or a crusher. So in this place, the soap now mixes again. This is what the amalgamator looks like. So when you pour it, that's what you're seeing there. You pour it inside. It is now here that you can add your perfume or any other thing you want to add into your soap. All the additives, you add it here if you want to add additives. But most times it is because the soap brings out its color. So you add your perfume. So as the soap is turning, it's bringing out that transparency. So after that part, then it comes into the plodder. This is the plodder. So the plodder now compresses it and makes it come out. This is what the plodder looks like. So that plodder will now compress it. It will now be very hard and come out this way. And then you cut. So it depends on what you want and the size of the soap you want to make. If you want a smaller bar, you can also pass it after the plodder to the mixer. Or else, if you want this long bar, you do. So you have seen how the soap is made. So they are all machine. You need majorly 3 machines for that. This is the plodder. This is what it looks like. This is the plodder. This is a smaller one. So you pour it through that opening and then it passes through it and come out. So this is a roller dice, like an automatic stamping machine. So if what you're producing is a toilet soap, then you use this machine. It will be made to the particular shape you want, and then you stamp your soap. We have all these machines in stock. We can actually make them to suit your budget. If you want to produce your soap to standard, you want to produce this type of soap, this type of machine, then contact me. Send us a message on the number you're seeing, a WhatsApp message on the number you're seeing on the screen. Let's discuss. We can actually produce these machines to suit your budget. These ones are big ones. They are a little bit pricey, a little bit expensive, but we can actually make one that will suit your budget. So just talk to us on WhatsApp. Let's get started. So if you really want to up your game and really compete in the market with the big brands, then it is time you step up. If you have the capital though, I'm not saying that you cannot make soap without it. You can actually sell your soap. Everybody has their customer, everybody has their market. But if you think you have the capital, you want to step up your game, then come and talk to us.